flap is the biceps femoris.
Bicep femoris.
Okay, and then this is the.
Sorry, there was a lot of noise going on. Can you go over that one flap again?
This
What is it?
flap is the biceps femoris.
Oh, okay.
Bicep femoris.
And this is the semitendinosus. This thing.
Semitendinosus.
And that here, it's not part of this, okay? This, I don't know what that is. This is the semimembranosus.
Semimembranosus.
Got it? And then here, there's three things on the leg. This is the gastrocnemius.
Gastrocnemius.
The back, the middle part is soleus.
Soleus.
And then the front is tibialis anterior.
Tibialis anterior.
That's it. That's all you need to learn.
Can we
This
go
is
over
very
it
short.
again?
Can you go over it again? Okay, this is the
Gluteus maximus.
Sorry, no, this is gluteus medius.
Oh, gluteus medius.
Maximus is the smaller one.
Gluteus maximus.
And this is only found in cats.
Only in cats.
This is the cauda femoralis. The big flap is the biceps femoris, correct. And this is the
Tendinosus.
No, this is the membranosus. Tendinosus is the smaller one. It's the outer one.
Semitendinosus.
Semimembranosus.
Semimembranosus.
This is the gastrocnemius,
Medius.
the soleus, and then this tibialis anterior.
Anterior. Okay.
Got it?
Let's do it again.
Let's do it backwards.
Okay. Tibialis anterior.
Soleus,
The
gastrocnemius, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, biceps femoris,
Biceps femoris.
cauda femoralis.
Femoralis. Only on cats.
Yes, and this is the gluteus maximus, and this is the gluteus medius.
Ah,
It's very short.
I love it.
That's it for us.
Thank you. That's it for this whole.
Yeah, that's it.